Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the new campus of Nalanda University, located near the ancient ruins of Nalanda in Rajgir, Bihar. He emphasized that while books may burn, knowledge endures, underscoring Nalanda as a symbol of India's rich heritage and its ability to rewrite history. Modi highlighted education as a priority, envisioning Nalanda as a global hub for cultural exchange and learning. He also reflected on the historical significance, mentioning that the ancient Nalanda University was demolished by Bakhtiyar Khilji. Despite this destruction, Modi expressed optimism about Nalanda's revival, aiming to transform it into a beacon of knowledge and diplomacy for the future.